Hi guys, what's up? I'm back for a fourth Amazon unboxing video. This time it's going to be the lobster refrigerator car. It was supposed to arrive Wednesday, but it ended up coming today. So, I'm going to, unbox it. I'm going to do that for you right now. Alright, so got the box open. And here it is, unboxed. Well, kind of. For some reason, Salty is discontinued, but yet he's still listed on the back. Isn't that just weird? Hope you've enjoyed this unboxing and expect to review this maybe. But if not, then, I hope you've enjoyed it. Please subscribe for more.